Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone 15 series, iPhone 13 series, iPhone 14 series and so on to iPhone XR. If Face ID is not working on your iPhone, it is very annoying issue. So today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix this issue. Our step number 1 is first make sure that your Face ID is set up. Face ID is not activated by default on the iPhone for some reasons. So first you have to activate it. For doing this, simply you have to tap on your settings, then scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode and see if Face ID is enabled or not. If it's not enabled, then simply enable it. Then our step number 2 is make sure true that camera is not blocked. If you true that camera is blocked with your protector or any obstacle, then simply remove your protector and or your case to claim that true that camera is not blocked. Then our step number 3 is check for third party app permission. If you have a third party app installed and unable to utilize Face ID on it, it's possible that you were not given the required permission. Then simply give it a permission. For giving the permission, simply tap on your settings and go for the app which is causing the Face ID issue. Like I'm going to Snapchat and you can see here option, sorry, scroll down and go to WhatsApp. You can see your option Face ID. If it's turned off, then simply turn it on and give it a permission. After giving permission and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to set up alternative appearance. For setting it up, simply you have to again go to your passcode, Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, and you can see here option set up an alternative appearance. Simply set it up. After applying this all issues and you are still facing the same issue again and again and your Face ID is not working, then you have to simply restart your iPhone. In the in the event that the default restart doesn't fix the issue, try a force restart. This is a merely another technique to switch off your iPhone if you haven't already utilized the force restart feature. For simply restarting your iPhone, simply you have to tap on your general, then scroll down and tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. And for a force restart, you have to tap and release your volume up button and tap and release your volume down button and then tap and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.